Good spot, seen the run. Odegaard. Now it's Neymar. He might be in here.
A reflection on what we've seen so far. Neither side has produced that many efforts at goal simply because respective
guard is looking to set free a runner. Now it's Neymar. He has found the way through. Rodri. And it's Neymar. Kimi does. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Saka! Cristiano Ronaldo. Saka. Saka!
Look, it's a run defences dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
With the rangefinder there.
Really is missed.
And the shot!
For you, Peter, as a side, they never lost focus despite the setback. This is thoroughly merited. For me, now they can...
Mbappe! And again! It looks like a big game. Mind you, this ground. He's got goal. Surely this. Nicely weighted ball. Haaland! It's necessary. Well, here's your hero, goal scorer, match winner, saviour. Lionel Messi is indeed. He's had a shot! As you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows.
Counted. And the shot! Really well taken goal. Out to the right, he's got away. Corner stubbornly, stood up very well to his man.
Footballing width usually identifies with...
And he's had a hit! Cristiano Ronaldo. Saka. Persistent, it's almost personal.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver. To arouse
Odegaard! It's in! The second half sparks straight into life. He cuts out the pass. Rodri. Over to the left.
Neymar.
Petri. Can he finish? And the keeper has reacted superbly. Mbappe. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, good ball. There's the shot!
Hold on for a sec. You're enjoying the video, right? Please support me by pausing the video and liking this video so YouTube can push it to other people.
Join our community, get in-game tutorials, funny shorts, advices, and participate in interesting polls. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now.
Please speared that in.
That is just the top drawer finish. He was always in control and couldn't have placed the running better.
Real chance! not know what has hit them. Oh, delicious, such devilish curl.
Oh, that's a measured delight. The curl he applies.
Shapes to shoot!
I think his presence might make all the difference for this team. He's got lightning fast reactions and a coolness.
Has a goal! Goal!
Mbappe. Now it's Bellingham.
Aims beyond the defence. And it's shot a goal! Now DiMarco. Oh, that's sweet, almost telepathic. And the shot! He has done it! Smart movement, came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. Can he finish? It's bounced out!
Coming on to replace him is number 32.
Time is running out here.
Well, it's looking like too little too late, but they are giving it all they have.
Oh, good spread. Williams. He's shifting through. And the shot! Sticks it away! Right back in it! Almost no... Promising build-up this. Plenty of really nice passing.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Now it's Diaby. Decent hit! And
Every little thing gonna be alright.
Van Dijk does really well there. He is strong. Saka. Shot could be on. Oh, shapes to shoot! That was superb!
Okay, being behind at the break isn't ideal, but there's plenty of time to reply.
Now it's... There's the shot! They're in for the pieces!
Done showed it could go either way.
Mbappe. Maradona. Hakimi. Maradona. Distributed tidily. Hakimi. No, that's not going to find its target. Nicely weighted ball. Real chance!
The
Hakimi.
attendance for this match was 71,649.
And Hakimi. Pedri. Rodri. Now it's Pedri. Bellingham. He's had a shot. Nice. It's a goal. Comfort, yet more comfort, easing away. Turns back here, probably the best option.
Look, it's a
Wow. Prince's dislike.
But he's had a shot! His super header dispatched beautifully.
well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle. But that was beautifully met, it really was.
Wolverhampton break the deadlock.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
He rises! Good delivery, but
Well on it, they've got to go again, simple as.
Get out of here.
Davis. Pedri. It's a sweet ball that. Oh, he's found support out wide. He's found a way through. And the counter is on. And it's Davis. Pedri. Aimed in towards. Great chance! It's in!
I turn good players into great players and great teams into champions.
Interesting. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
clearly is miffed.